Hi, everyone. It's Dr. Kimberly Harden. Have you ever noticed how draining it is to keep parts of yourself hidden? Many of us maintain different versions of ourselves, one for work, one for friends, and one for family. It might feel necessary, but it comes at a cost. Every time we compartmentalize who we are, we trade energy for performance and lose connection to purpose. We second guess what we can say, how we should react, even how we express enthusiasm. That constant filtering creates fatigue and leaves us feeling disconnected from our own lives. Wholeness isn't indulgent, it's practical. When you stop dividing yourself and start showing up as one integrated person, you free up energy to live, lead, connect, and focus on things that truly matter to you, with your values intact and your bandwidth restored. Leading, or simply living, from a place of wholeness isn't just healthier, it's far more sustainable. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an insight. Talk to you soon.